In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Trello, a tool that looks simple on the surface, but can completely change how you organize work if you use it the right way. Trello is built around visual task management using boards, lists, and cards. Think of it like a digital whiteboard with sticky notes. Each board is a project, each list is a stage of work, and each card is a task. You can drag tasks from one stage to another as progress happens, which makes it very easy to see what's going on at a glance. This visual clarity is Trello's biggest strength. Instead of digging through menus or complicated dashboards, you instantly understand your workload just by looking at the board. What makes Trello especially powerful is how flexible those cards can be. A single card can hold checklists, due dates, attachments, labels, comments, and assign team members. That means one task can contain all the information your team needs without long email threads or scattered notes. For content creators, you can track ideas, scripts, editing, and publishing. For students, you can manage assignments and deadlines. For small businesses, you can follow leads, client work, or marketing tasks. It adapts easily to different types of work without feeling overwhelming. Another big advantage is how easy Trello is to start using. Many project management tools feel like you need training before you can even add your first task. Trello is the opposite. You can sign in and build a working board in minutes. This low learning curve makes it perfect for beginners, small teams, or anyone who gets frustrated by overly complex software. The mobile app is also smooth, so updating tasks on the go feels natural instead of annoying. Trello also supports extra features through add-ons that extend what the boards can do. You can connect calendars, automate repetitive actions, or link other tools you already use. This means Trello can stay simple at first, but grow with your workflow as your needs become more advanced. That said, Trello is not built for deep project planning. If you need detailed timelines, workload management across large teams, or advanced reporting, Trello can start to feel limited. It shows tasks clearly, but it does not naturally handle complex dependencies between tasks. Large organizations or technical project teams might outgrow it and need something more structured. The free version is generous for basic use, but teams that rely heavily on advanced features and multiple integrations may eventually need a paid plan. Still, for many individuals and small teams, the free features are more than enough to stay organized and productive. Overall, Trello is best for people who want a clean, visual, and easy system to manage tasks without spending hours learning complicated software. It helps you see your work, move it forward, and stay in control without mental overload. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Trello or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.